Hi, welcome to Northern Country Creations. Hope everyone's doing well. And I thought I would pop on the camera real quick and do a little tutorial. So I'm working on Cranberry Thanksgiving, and so I've did the spine already and prepared the inside. So now I am thought I would show you how I marry pages together. So this book, so what I do is I use a variety of different things. I use what they call is paper tape, and you can find it in the medical section, and it's like cloth fibers woven together into a tape. It's very good and very adhesive. It also is transparent. You can somewhat see through the paper behind it, where if you use washi tape, you can't see through it. So these pages, this is what I've did so far. So these pages, see how you can see through the tape? And I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the image through it transparently. So these have little tiny holes all the way through where they sewed in the spine. So I have to reinforce it because, you know, it wouldn't last. So I need to do that. So I did clear on here. And then there was actually an old piece of tape that was ripped, so I kind of wanted that to show. And I kind of wanted to keep that aging tape look on there, and then I used the transparent paper tape over top of it. So it serves two purposes for this tape, that you can see through it, and then it also, you know, repairs the page. So I went through, I washied this one. I liked how the colors matched this. And then this one, it's going to be in the middle, and I didn't want tape to ruin the picture, so I washied this side only. So that was the first signature without any of my added papers to it yet. Second one, I added clear here on this one, and what I did is I had to, because this was a page that was like glued to another page, kind of like, so I had to add my own page to it. So I used the paper tape and did that, and see, you can barely really see that on a regular piece of paper. So that's that one. The second one, I did this. And I did it both sides. That's washi tape. Here's another one with washi tape here. So that's that one. And so now I am going to do the last signature. These are just the book pages that come with the book. Okay, and like I said, so this is a single page, and I trimmed off kind of the frayed edges, because what I need to do is marry a page to it so that it can become a signature. So what I will do is the book will be like this, and then this one will be here, but I need to attach a page. So I just kind of want to look at my pages. So this is, let's see, it'll be... Actually, this is going to be the back page. So what I need to do is okay, so I got to do some figuring out here. So this isn't, this one isn't going to work. See, this one's ripped as well. This is the recipe that she's been hiding, but this is the last page. So that actually needs to be on the last. So what I need to do is I actually need to cut, well, I'm going to repair this first before I take it away from the its original thing here. So So what I'm going to do is I just want to make sure all these papers are clear or down. Okay, so I'm going to use my paper tape and repair this. And you have to be really careful with this because if you touch it to itself, it will stick and you will not get it together. And so see that I just made a little divot in it. So I have to cut that off. All right, so, whoop, oh my goodness, see what I just did? Let's start over. Yeah, the tape is very sticky, and that's what I like about it. And somebody on one of the YouTube channels mentioned that she uses it, so, and I really don't remember who she was or where I got it from. Sorry that I don't know that. So I'm going to put this together very carefully without okay, perfect. So I'm going to do it on this side as well. Okay. There we go. And I actually want to avoid that. So I'm going to, there we go. Perfect. All right. So I want to press it down really good. You can use your bone folder on it too to really get it to stick down and be more transparent. Okay. Okay. Same with this side. See how it looks nice against the white paper? Oops. And, you know, you can really barely see the tape. So that's what I like about it. All right. So now that I repaired that, I can cut it down the middle because I have to have this page as the last page because it is an end page. That makes sense? Okay, so now I have a clean edge, and that's the last page. All right, so make sure I don't get it all mixed up here. All right, so that's that. Okay, get it straight here. So this is going to be the first page. Therefore, this has to be the last page. Okay, so I just line my pages up on my grid here. And I just give a little tiny space in between for folding. Okay, and then I think I will use, let's see. Yes, I think I will use this one. Okay, I just pull it out. I go past my line, and then I just be careful to set it down very quickly, and then smooth it out, press it down really good, flip it over, and push your tape down here, and then push your tape here, and then push this way as you go because you don't want it to pull and make the paper like bow. Okay, and then I just do it just to the point where it overlaps. Okay, and then I just use my bone folder to adhere it really good. Sometimes I use glue, sometimes I don't. I don't know, just I don't feel like I need it on these. Okay, so now, look at that, folds really nice. Use my bone folder to do that. Okay, so now this is the beginning, and so now, okay, just gotta get my pages correct here. So this will be the next one. So this is the one that I'm going to marry a new page onto. Okay. Kind of cool. It's got fruit and stuff there. And it's a nice journaling page with a little thought saying. Okay. So let's put this here. So now I already have a cut clean edge. Oops, there's a little thread, bookbinding thread. Okay. Same thing, I'm just going to line it up on my grid so I have a straight page. And do I want this one here? You know, I should check that out first. So let me do that. So it's going to be like this. I'm going to open it up. And then it's going to be like this. Okay, so then on this page it'll be this. Okay, so look at that. See, I want green to match the green. So that's what I'm going to do. Pull that out. Okay. So good thing I checked that because I wanted it to look really nice inside the book. Okay, so I just leave a tiny little bit of edge there. This page is smaller this way than here, so we're good. I'm actually going to use this one this time, and this is the duct tape washi, and it is a lot more stickier than regular washi tapes, and I really like it. I just started using it. I found it at an outlet store around me. They were like $1, a whole bin for $1 a piece. I didn't know what the going retail price was when I bought it, but I thought it's got to be more than $1. Washi tape is, you know, not cheap. So, you know, I thought, why not? So I picked up a few rolls, and I like it. I really like it. The rolls are bigger than washi tape, or most of them anyways. Like this is a fairly new roll, and look at the difference. So, I mean, more bang for your buck on that one. Okay, again, just press it down real good, both sides. Okay. All right, so I believe we fold it this way. Yep. Okay. And then just press the bone folder down again. All right, so we've got 2 done. Okay, so 1, 2, and then now we have this one. And see all these little holes? This is what I have to do. So I pull that up there, pull that one out. So I'm just going to reinforce this one real quick. This has got lots of, it's got green on it. You know what? I think I'll just do this one. Well, you know what? I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to grab a different color. I'll go a little bit wider. I'll go a little bit wider with, I think this is a Tim Holtz. I'm not sure. I think so. But see, it's so thin. All right, so I'm going to go here, flip it over, fold in your end, like that, and then turn the page sideways so that you can see that it is going in the right direction on here. Okay, and press it down, and then just cut it at the end. Okay, bone folder it again, smooth it down. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about journals. I don't know, I think I saw a bunch of, not controversy, but comments from different people's YouTube videos, and I think on Facebook, about junk journals. You know, like what truly is junk and whatnot. Make sure I got it right here. Let's look at this again. I gotta make sure I fold it right. goes this way. All right. Yep. Yep, that's what's going to go here. And then this is the middle signature. Yep. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to reinforce this. I'm going to do clear on this one because it is the middle. So anyways, back to the junk journal thing. So yeah, my journals, everything in my journals is secondhand thrifted. I do not buy my scrapbook paper, things like that, excuse me, at the retail stores. Most of my stuff that I use in my journals, I mean, I have to say probably 99%, besides like washi tape or glues, that kind of thing. And even washi tapes, if I find it at a thrift store, I'll buy it. Because I really have a challenge to create my journals directly from secondhand thrifted items. Now, they're being recycled because someone has already bought it and they didn't want it. So they gave it away, donated it, selling it on their garage sale, however the avenue that I purchased it. So it's someone that already purchased the item and they no longer want it. So, and so I am recycling, and that's what all of my journals are. All of my book pages, all of my stationaries, and you know, all of my pages that I get are from, that I've purchased from thrift stores, antique stores, garage sales, estate sales, you name it, marketplace, whatever. I had two huge shopping hauls at a garage sale one time where I think it was their father was really into scrapbooking photo albums, and they had an entire bin, and I mean a big bin. I got the entire bin for 20 bucks. It was thousands of scrapbooking, 12 by 12, you know, scrapbooking and cardstock. And so I had no need to even go to the store and buy anything. I mean, I have such a variety, holidays, everything, sports, you know, flowered, everything. So, yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So everything I use, material, stickers, everything I get from thrift stores and secondhand. So I just try to keep my journals, you know, junk that no one wanted. So anyways, so I thought I would flip on the video and show you how I did my pages and put them together. So I will have 3 signatures in this wonderful Cranberry Thanksgiving thing. I think it will be a wonderful, wonderful, and look at this. This is upholstery fabric. It's like a velour fabric, and it's just wonderful. I loved it because it matched. It's like a teal, and I just love it. And here's that recipe on the back cover. And so this is a game board piece that I reinforced the board with and put lace on there. So, and then I've got my spine ready to, it'll be a hidden spine that will go just like that, and my signatures will go in there. So that will be my next step. So yeah, so I just thought I would share that with you on how I did my pages. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.